Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. I am very happy to note that I have completed 1380 videos regarding the legal matters. Of course, one or two may be relating to some functions which have to be uploaded. I am really grateful to all the subscribers who made me continue with the making of the videos at the fag. So in advance, wish you Happy New Year. Today, I am going to discuss a case law on the reputation of woman. No compromise on the against the honor of a woman. So this is the heading. So this judgment was delivered by Andhra Pradesh High Court Justice Ravi Nath Tilhari while disposing an interlocutory application in the appeal number 1299 by 2017. This IA number is 2 by 2021. So here what happened is, briefly to say, in a rape case, 2 accused were convicted and the matter came for appeal before the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. And in that particular period, the advocate Mr. Suresh Reddy, on behalf of the appellants, that is the accused persons, he filed an interlocutory application to compromise the case. What is the case? This is the rape case. How can it be compromised? Yes, that is the story behind it. Of course, High Court has clearly stated that such cases cannot be compromised. The court refused to set aside the rape conviction based upon the compromise. So you can see the reference in appeal number 1299 by 2017. This is Kankipati Kalyana Babu and another versus State of AP 2021. If we go to the facts of the case, Mr. Kankipati Kalyana Babu, he is figuring as A1 and Kankipati Vijay Kumari, she is figuring as A2. Right? So the victim, since a rape case, I should not tell the name of the victim. The victim and A1, both of them were classmates. They studied BED in Vijayawada. So at that time, maybe due to love, whatever it is, under the false promise of marriage, she was subjected to sexual harassment or the so-called aggravated sexual assault was committed on her. In fact, she says that she was ravished under the false promise of marriage. After some time, this fellow rejected to marry her. Therefore, she gave a report in Mahila police station and they accused Kankipati Kalyana Babu as well as his accomplice Vijay Kumari, both of them were arrested. They were charged under section 376, 342, 417, 420 against Vijay Kumari. This is 109 of the Indian Penal Code. The matter has come for trial. The ADJ, Mahila Court, he has conducted the trial. He is satisfied with the prosecution evidence. Therefore, he has given conviction to both the accused. Both the accused were convicted. Of course, now they were on bail. Anyway, they have filed the bail petition in appeal number, they have filed the appeal in appeal number 1299 by 2017. This is one part. Now, the real part started. Now, the elders of the family, the community, the caste people, all of them sat together and they settled the issue. Now, both the accused as well as the complainant in the case, they came to a sort of compromise. Now, the appeal is pending. Suppose if the appeal is pending, if it is confirmed, so they have to go to jail and they have to undergo the sentence. So in order to avoid the same, they have filed an interlocutory petition stating that it is a personal case and the elders from both sides, the community people, they convened a meeting and reprimanded both the accused and the complainant to put an end to the unnecessary ill feelings in order to lead a peaceful life. That means he is willing to marry her. And clearly stated that there is no threat or coercion in filing petition. Right? Now, the arguments you have to hear. The advocate, on behalf of the appellants, he stated that it is a personal case and that too, it is not a heinous offense. And both were close friends, both studied together, and while pursuing BEd, they decided to marry. But of course, due to some other various obvious reasons, the marriage could not be confirmed, and therefore she gave the report. And the advocate placed reliance on Ram Gopal and another versus State of Madhya Pradesh 2021. Of course, immediately the APP, he relentlessly opposed vehemently, holding that it is not a personal case. It has impact on the society. That's why we call it as a criminal case. It has impact on the society, and therefore the interlocutory application cannot be allowed. He has placed reliance on Jian Singh versus State of Punjab 2012. Now, the matter was inquired into by the Honorable High Court and Justice Ravi Nath Tilhari. He stated that where heinous offences were proved against the perpetrators, no benefit to the accused as cautiously, no benefit should be given to the accused as cautiously observed by the court. No doubt they may try to effect compromise, they may intend to marry, is a different thing. But when allegation of rape is proved, it has to be gone on the legal lines only. The appeal may stand or may not stand, is a different thing. But in the meanwhile, we cannot take up such type of petition. He has totally rejected the interlocutor application, stating that no compromise against the honor of a woman. So, of course, it has no bearing with the appeal. The appeal may be, in the appeal, the appellants may come out successful also. It has no bearing, but the interlocutor application cannot be allowed. So, therefore, the court refuses to set aside the appeal, and the appeal process should go on. So, lastly, the interlocutor application deserves to be rejected, but it has no bearing on the appeal. This is the order given by Justice Ravi Nath Tilhari. Very good orders, very good judgment also. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.